Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I want to help and guide you on how to turn off comments on Facebook profile picture. And I will answer the question that can we disable the comment of our profile picture in Facebook? We will tackle that problem in this video. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so we can't miss any steps on this process. Now let's jump into the video. We have everybody question that can we turn off comment in our profile picture in Facebook? The answer is we can't turn on it off because the turn off comments is only available in groups. There is no way to turn off commenting per post on your business page. The current Facebook profile and cover picture will always be public. You can disable comments for everyone on your public profile info, but we can choose either public or only friends can comment on it. The first step is open your Facebook profile, then tap on menu and click for profile picture. And as you can see, there is no option here about comments. And even if you click to see profile picture and then tap on the top right, as you can go and change the privacy settings, but you can go and disable it. So what we are going to do is click on profile, but before that, scroll down in your Facebook account and find the post and date that you changed and upload your profile picture. Then click the three dots on the top right corner. Then click on edit privacy. And as you can see, you can choose who can comment on it. Says public friends and established follows or friends. And that's it. So before we end this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe if you are new here.